Okay, kicking off with the red box ECU. I've loaded up the software onto my little tuning PC. It's hooked up to the red box itself via USB, which happens to be COM4 on this particular unit. So as you can see, we're all dialed in. That's the current reading, so let's kick this in the guts. So that's the current map. Looks like it's going quite well. AFR readings are pretty stoichiometric for an idle anyway. So this is the current map 1. I've tested this map a fair bit. It seems to go alright. It starts cold, starts hot, as you've just seen that this bike has been hot because I've been playing with the tune. So this map's pretty much ready to distribute at the moment. I've dialed the timing back so that it won't ping on 95 and hopefully 91 octane. I'm running 98 and it's not pinging on that. But yeah, we'll see how this one goes.